So you might be trying to figure out how to go through and basically use this particular LiDAR sensor on your iPhone 17 Pro. So the 17 Pro now has this LiDAR sensor that it's always had for a while, and you might be trying to figure out how to use it. Now, the thing to remember here is that that particular application, like that LiDAR sensor, there's not like a LiDAR app necessarily, but there are applications that use that LiDAR sensor. Specifically, if you're in like the camera application, if you're in low light conditions, the LiDAR sensor is typically going to go ahead and be used in those particular situations. So you might be able to go through and in some low light conditions be able to utilize the LiDAR sensor just from that standpoint. Now, in other ways, if you're going to go through and use some other applications, a lot of AR applications, augmented reality applications, are going to use that LiDAR sensor. So if you want to, you can always go through and you can download an application that can't use, AR. Things like the IKEA app, like if you type in IKEA Place, this is an application that uses the LiDAR sensor quite a bit. So you can go through and download the IKEA application, and this app will basically go through and like turn your iPhone into like a studio kind of to show like what things could look like in your room. So you can always go through and kind of set this application up. Or if you want, you can go inside of Apple's product page and then go through and use some of their 3D objects there. And you can also see it that way as well. Any 3D screening application, including the Measure application, if you go and find the Measure app, this app will also go through and basically allow you to use that LiDAR sensor there as well, which is another really cool thing. So there's a lot of different capability here. You can kind of modify it whichever way you want to, but that's essentially how you go ahead and use it for the most part. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.